Every single drop makes a difference. Cetín, a small town in the Czech Republic surrounded by gorgeous nature. Healthy forests, clear mountain streams teeming with trout represent a very fragile ecosystem. Simply beautiful. Cetín, a small spot on the map, but one of the biggest centers of detonator production in the entire world. Of course, producing detonators uses a lot of water. We clean all the water using the patented best available technique system. The result is clear water without any contaminants. In the past, we couldn't avoid using traditional heavy metals and detonator charges. Our R&D team has been working on heavy metals substitutions for many years. We've been successful in the substitution of both transition and delay charges with eco-variants. Laboratory specialists prepare recipes of ingredients for the composition of mixtures for many charges to use in detonators. We've found the substitution for transition and delay charges in Shockstar and Rockstar systems. We decided to reduce the plastic residue in the muck pile by developing the unique E-Star tunnel. We've been developing the electronic system E-Star for many years. It's the most reliable, the safest, and also environmentally responsible. By using our high-quality, reliable and safe electric, non-electric, or electronic detonators with reduced heavy metals content, you can maintain the health of the environment, fragile ecosystems and wildlife for our children and for the next generations. Every single drop makes a difference. Join us. Join Austin Powder on our mission to improve the world we live in through the safe and responsible use of explosives.